This is Michaela getting a bath. She likes the bath, even though she's making funny faces right now. Can you smile, Michaela? She's looking at her daddy. Can you smile, Michaela?
Stick that tongue out.
She's our little fatty patty.
Wash those hands.
Yeah, do you like the bath? Yeah, she's sort of smiling.
Little guns.
Okay, bye-bye, sweet girl. Enjoy your bath. Bye-bye.